Gary Gensler is going after everybody. First LBRY, then Ripple, now Kim Kardashian? She has been ordered to pay a $1.26 million fine for advertising Ethereum Max on her Instagram page. In other news, average 30-year fixed mortgage rate increases to 7.06%. This is coming from being at nearly 3% just a year and a half ago. Did you guys know that Ripple's on-demand liquidity product is available currently in 23 countries?
But then we introduced the ability not only to message, but to settle payments. So that is actually moving funds in 2018 with an add-on service called On-Demand Liquidity. And the add-on service leverages XRP, a digital asset, to move money around the world. And that product has grown tremendously. As soon as we introduced that product and we started gaining momentum, we saw RippleNet traction go through the roof, which has been really exciting. That value proposition is really moving money around the world a lot faster with less cost in terms of capital costs of pre-funding around the world to grow their business. And again, a run rate for RippleNet overall, $15 billion. That is awesome. I would say hey, that is better growth than I had expected. So I'm excited about continuing that. We're also available, the ODL product, on-demand liquidity product that leverages XRP is available in 23 countries. So you can use our product to pay out to 23 different countries around the world. We're really excited about that. And again, we're doing great, especially in emerging markets where there isn't a solution like ours. It solves a real customer pain point.
Do you know that the 43rd Treasurer of the United States government actually chose Ripple? Her name is quite literally on the money. Look at the bottom left corner. Her name is on the money.
I chose Ripple. I had a lot of options, but I chose them because they have a functional role. So they facilitate cross-border payments. It's one of their functions with XRP. So it's not just some floating asset out there. They actually have a purpose, right? And so it was the right choice for me. Someone else might have some.
So I'm in the
choice.
XRP army.
Okay,
just to let you know.
Excellent.
I'm a firm believer of the utility component.
Nice.
Excellent.
And hopefully this thing going on right now, the SEC will go away soon.
I think what President Biden's executive order that he announced in March to have this kind of reconnaissance of digital assets for this calendar year is an important one. It may not get to very specific recommendations, but I think the best you're going to hope for, at least today, is at least a path forward. Sure. How do you start these conversations? How do you, one of my favorite phrases that you'll hear me quote all the time is the train's already left the station. Blockchain is here to stay. Absolutely. Because of fractional real estate, art, NFTs, whatever. It's here to stay. But how do we lay the tracks?
Absolutely.
How do you
and
lay
I've never
the
heard
tracks?
the other side of the table, but I imagine both sides are trying to figure out, we're trying to figure out the rule book. We're trying to figure, it's never been done.
Look, and here's the thing.
It's very challenging on both sides.
This economy needs innovation to recover. It needs jobs.
This is a weird one because we've speculated so much about a potential Ripple-Swift partnership. But Swift partners with crypto data provider Chainlink on cross-chain protocol and TradeFi Play. Interest from institutional investors moving into crypto has been undeniable, according to Swift strategy director. Well, yeah, duh, the grass is green, the sky is blue. Yeah, of course, moving to crypto has been undeniable. But they're partnering with Chainlink. But not Ripple? I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on there, guys, but let's go ahead and talk about some XRP price. So yesterday's video, I came out and I said, hey, XRP is going to pump tonight. It's the weekly candle close. It's going to be a 3-bar play. The candle has to start going green. And there's your pump. I mean, it didn't go down. It didn't go down. The whole purpose of yesterday's video was hey, tonight, the green candle is going to the new weekly candle is going to come out. It's going to start creeping up. It's got to engulf the whole candle, start moving forward. It's, I mean, look, it technically pumped a little bit. I mean, this is a weekly candle chart we're looking at here. It pumped a little bit there, but not exactly what I was expecting, but not a bad start to the week. If you guys haven't been watching the last like 40 videos on the channel where I talk about this same exact formation on the charts, we are expecting a traditional 3-bar play to be happening here, where we get essentially another green candle the same size as this one, which should bring us to about 70-80 cent per XRP. We want to go down to a little bit of lower time frames, like the 4-hour chart. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad, okay? Got the big stretch from 32 to 56 cents, and now we're playing kind of the waiting game. We're pulling back. We're building structure at higher levels, such as right here. Right there, you can see old resistance became new support, which then led to a 42 to 51 cent movement. And then we're dealing with the drawdown from 49 to 43 and then pumping a little bit up to 46. So do expect XRP to be approaching the upside very, very soon. Okay. And then have to update you guys on the XRP to Bitcoin chart, because we still have this major unit here. Okay. Not sure if I need to draw it out again for you guys, but I'm going to do it anyways. But yeah, XRP broke like a massive, massive level. And just like the XRP to USD chart, it's pretty simple. Huge green bullish confirmation, weak seller pullback. But this candle is actually red. The new weekly candle is actually red compared to the USDT chart, which is currently green right now. So I imagine if the USDT chart can get this 3-bar play secured, XRP to Bitcoin chart will do the exact same thing, considering it has broken a 5-year-long trend line. All right. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed like the little editing and stuff. Yeah, Kim Kardashian pays $1.26 million over crypto pump and dump. She agreed to pay $1.26 million or 1.12 million Great British pounds fine for advertising Ethereum Max on her Instagram page, which is not like the real, like actual Ethereum you're thinking about. This is like a ripoff token, I'm pretty sure. So the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission said the reality TV star had received $250,000 for advertising the cryptocurrency without disclosing she had been paid to do so. She also agreed not to promote crypto asset securities for 3 years. Wow, that means in 3 years in 1 day, she's allowed to promote another crypto asset security. Genius by Gary Gensler right there. Her lawyer told BBC News, Ms. Kardashian is pleased to have resolved this matter with the SEC. The lawyer said Kardashian fully cooperated with the SEC from the very beginning, and she remains willing to do whatever she can to assist the SEC in this matter. She wanted to get this matter behind her to avoid a protracted dispute. And I'm not going to show this on the channel because what I'm talking about here, I don't want to show on the channel. Just because, you know, it's YouTube and, like, dude, you can get your channel removed for, like, showing the dumbest things, man. So, you're going to understand why I'm not going to show it on the channel. But you got to look at what her ex-husband just did today. Twitter is pissed off. Twitter is, like, throwing a tantrum. Just look at what, you know, Kanye West just go on to Twitter, go on to Google, go on to any search engine you please, and just type in Kanye West and just look at what he did. I have no commentary, no opinion about that, but I think it's interesting how this happens on the same day this news came out. That's all I'm saying. Again, I'm not going to show on the channel, but just Google Kanye West right now, see what the latest news on him is, okay? So misleadingly promote. Yeah, so Ms. Kardashian, boxer Floyd Mayweather, basketball player Paul Pierce, and Ethereum Max's creators were sued by investors in January. The legal action alleged they had collaborated to misleadingly promote and sell the cryptocurrency in a pump and dump scheme designed to inflate the price before selling to investors. Ethereum Max disputed the allegations at that time. See, the thing is like when you're paying... How do I put it? When you're paying let's say a crypto influencer to talk about a cryptocurrency, I think that is a little bit more respectable because you're trying to get your project in front of like real investors of the space who are willing to not just flip a quick buck, but like, hold the coin for the long term if they really believe in the fundamentals there. Because I think there are like some legitimate projects that do, pay some big crypto influencers to, hey, promote their coin and talk about it, let people know like what they're doing, right? At least in that sense, I can kind of respect that because you're really doing like a target audience who matches perfectly with what you're promoting, and you're like trying to like build an ecosystem that way, right? I'm not saying they're all like legit, but the thing is when you go ahead and just pay straight up celebrities, like you're not even going for like a targeted audience that like you researched about. You're just literally going for pure numbers. You're going for pure impressions. Like Kim Kardashian's, 20, 30 million followers on Instagram, probably more. Floyd Mayweather, Paul Pierce, like these people don't give a shit about cryptocurrency, Their fans don't care about cryptocurrency. Their fans care about them. But if they come out and go, "Oh yeah, Ethereum Max, bro, oh to the moon," and then like the people that were the people that ran Ethereum Max, they understood they're going for purely numbers. You're just going for you just want it in front of as many people as possible. You don't care about whether those people have money, what their age is, are they interested in crypto, do they even invest, have they even invested before? They don't care about that. That's why Ethereum Max get wrecked in a lawsuit. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be for the video for today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure you smash like, subscribe, check the link in the description, support the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.